Let's begin by entering the atomsphere platform to learn about the different options available to you. In this class, we'll focus on the Build tab most of our time. On the outside looking in, the Dell Boomi Integration Cloud serves as a central hub between your data. This is a visual depiction of what we do at a high level. The best way to think of our service is cloud middleware. We are the plumbing between the various applications, whether they live in the cloud or on-premise. We can integrate applications in the cloud, on-premise, or in both locations. Let's first access the atomsphere platform. The atomsphere platform sits in the cloud and is easily accessible by any internet browser using the URL of platform.boomi.com. Now, although any browser can be used, we have seen the least amount of issues using Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome due to their Java handling. So try to use one of these as your browser. Before class, you should have received an email containing your atomsphere account ID. Your account was created using the email address you provided when you registered for the class, which is your username. If you already have a password for that username, then go ahead and log in using your existing credentials. If you have login issues or cannot remember your password, click Help, I Forgot My Password link. Let me log into the account, and then you can pause the video and log into your account. Because I'm a new user, I'm going to log in and I'm going to paste that password, that temporary password. It will automatically give me a change password screen. So I need to just paste that temporary password and enter in a new password, and I will need to confirm it. There are password policies. They must be a minimum of 6 characters in length. They can't match commonly used passwords, which is easy because I don't have any. And I cannot have any repeated characters or alphanumeric or keyboard sequence. So I'm going to type in my new password, and I will confirm it. I will click on OK. Now I will enter with my new password. Clicking OK once again. And now I am in. Now we just happen to have a release, so this comes down and this will tell us what has happened in our new release. You can get information. We have releases 11 times a year, so you can go in and you can take a look at this. So now I'm in my atomsphere account. Now that I'm logged in, you can pause the video and then you can log into your account. Now that we're logged in, let's move into our next lesson and learn more about atomsphere basics.